Do you need money? Well, this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to show you a new method where you can make a lot of money online. This is so awesome because you don't have to work by going to an office or doing anything like that. You can actually be at home and actually make a lot of money for yourself. What is great about this opportunity is that you can use your phone or your computer to do this. And you don't need an expensive phone or computer, just an average phone or computer can work for you. And this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, whether you're in Pakistan, India, Nigeria, Australia, France, America, wherever you are. If you're in any continent, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, South America, it doesn't matter. You can get access to this opportunity right now. And this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. There are no registration fees, so you don't have to worry about spending money on registration. No, this is free, completely free for you to do. So what you need to do is actually you need to watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to explain everything to you. I don't want you to get confused because there's very confusing things about this method that I'll be showing you, but I'm going to explain it to you very simply so that you understand what you need to do for you to actually make the money. It's very simple. Just watch me carefully all the way to the end. Just don't skip the video. It's not a long video, so you just make sure you watch it all the way to the end. Now, before I show you this method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button over there that says subscribe. Just click that button. I would really appreciate that. Turn on all notification bells. That bell there, click it so that anytime I have a new video, you can be able to watch my videos. So, the website today is Paid Era. It's paidera.com. Now, Paid Era is actually a platform where they provide you with simple tasks that you can do to actually make money. As you see over here, working online has become easy without any previous experience. So you don't need experience to do all these things. These things are very simple to do. So it doesn't require like high technology knowledge or anything that you need to study at university to do. These are just simple tasks that anyone can literally do. Anyone can actually do this. So that's what I love about this, is that they're very simple to do. You see here unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. It makes no limit to what you can make per day. So this is not something where you are provided with 2 jobs per day and then at the end of the day you don't have any more jobs. There are so many jobs that you can do continuously all over and over again, and it depends on you how much you want to work, how much you actually want to do. So there are no limits to what you can do. So you can make a lot of money. It depends on how many tasks that you actually do. Another way to make money is by inviting friends, which I'll explain to you just now. So what you want to do is you want to click here, surveys. You want to click on surveys. Then when you click on surveys, you're going to come over here and see that there are a bunch of different kinds of surveys. For example, public transportation survey, reading habits survey, outdoor activities, television viewing, truck driver satisfaction survey, consumer electronics survey, McDonald's, are you living it? Internet service provider survey, animal pet testing survey. So there are different kinds of surveys. Over here we have smartphone, user experience and usage. So let's take for example this one. So you want to click take survey. So you're going to wait a few seconds for the survey to pop up. As you can see over here, here's the survey, and you just want to click start survey. This blue button over here, you want to click start survey. So when you click start survey, you're going to wait a few seconds for the survey to actually get generated so that you can actually start the survey. So you'll see over here, the first question, what is your gender? Then you're going to see here male or female. Now I'm going to put in male. Now you'll see that there are so many ads, so many advertisements in the middle, and it will get very confusing because this is supposed to be a survey with different questions for you to answer, but now there are so many different kinds of adverts in the middle here. So it will seem a little bit confusing, very confusing. So you won't understand why there are so many adverts over here in the middle, but I'm going to explain to you why this is. So you want to scroll down and click next. So when you click next, you're going to wait for the next page to load up, which will provide you with more questions for the surveys for you to answer. So you will see over here, instead of the next question being here, you will see another advert over here. So it starts becoming very confusing because you're supposed to actually be doing a survey. Then I found out that the reason they are paying you is because they actually want you to maybe click on one of the adverts. So people are actually promoting their products by putting in advertisements in the middle of the surveys so that there are more chances of you actually clicking on those adverts. So that's why they're actually paying you. So whilst you're actually doing the survey, it doesn't mean that you have to click on the advert for you to get paid, but there's more likely of a chance of you clicking on their adverts, so they believe that maybe you could click on any of these adverts and maybe see their product. So that is why they're providing all these adverts in the middle of the survey. So you want to scroll down and you want to click continue. So when you click continue, it's going to take you to the next page concerning this specific survey that has to do with smartphones. So we'll see here, what is your age? You want to click maybe 18 to 21, 19 to 30, 31 to 51, depending on your exact age. So you want to find out what exactly is your age. Maybe it's 19 to 30, which is my case. So then you'll see that you go to next. So as you can see over here, there are still advertisements in the middle of the question. It is all because they actually want you to somehow click on one of these. So for example, this company is Grammarly, this company is Banner Snack. So Banner Snack has actually paid error to actually promote their adverts on the surveys so that people may actually somehow click on this. Maybe you were trying to click on here, but then you by mistake clicked on here so that you can end up on their products. So at the end of the day, they're going to pay you to complete these surveys simply because people want you to click on the advertisements. I hope that you understand how this is actually working. So now let me go back and explain to you something about the affiliate. So as you can see over here, it says invite friends. We are paying you to invite your friends to join us. Make money from your social circle. So there's a great thing about paid error is that you can actually make money by referring this website to your friends. So you will get an affiliate link, which is a certain link that belongs to you that paid error will give you, and you're going to send that link to your friends. So when your friends click on that link and they sign up to paid error, and every time they are actually doing surveys, you actually get money. So the more friends you invite, the more money you make, to a point where you can actually just be sleeping throughout the day, throughout the night, and people are actually working for you. So it's a great method to make more money for yourself. Now, remember, this is absolutely free. You first need to create an account. So you see this blue button, create an account. You want to click on create an account. So it's very simple procedure. First name, your last name, put in a nice username for yourself, put in your email address, put in a password, confirm the password, sign up and create my account. So it's very simple to do. And once you have your affiliate link so that you can send to your friends, what you want to do, I'm going to show you a method where you can actually promote that link so that people will actually be interested and sign up. So there's a website called Quora. It's Quora.com. You want to go here and search make money online. So when you search make money online, it's going to give you with different groups of people who are interested in this topic. For example, what's the easiest way to make money online? How do I make money online? What is the best way to earn money online? You know, different amounts of people are following here. Here we have 10,000 people. Here we have 3,000, 5,000. For example, what's the easiest way to make money online? So we click over here and let's see what is happening in this group. As you can see, 10,000 people in this group. When somebody, for example, when somebody posts something, people are actually replying. So you just want to join this group and then you're going to share your link over here. And remember, there are 10,000 people in this group. So even if 1,000 or even 100 or even 10 people join the paid era because of your link, you are going to make reasonable money. You're actually going to make reasonable money. So you just want to make sure that you go over here and you join different groups. It's free. 10,000 people over here. And when you post your link, for example, if there are 10,000 people and only 10 people out of 10,000, they click on your link, that is even a lot of money. Even if 20 people or 30 people actually click on your link and decide to join paid era, you are going to get a lot of money. So just follow this procedure because it's very easy to do and you can make a lot of money for yourself. So that is what I wanted to show you today. It's absolutely easy to do, free. You don't need to stress about paying any money to do this. Remember, we are not looking for methods where we will be paying to do things. We want things that are free and we want to make money instantly and as easy as the easiest methods as possible. That is what we are looking for. So I hope this helps you. I hope that you make a lot of money for yourself. If you have any questions, comment your questions down below in the comment section, and also comment from which country you are coming from. I would also like to reply to any of you and make videos for people in specific countries. And like this video if you haven't already, I would really appreciate that. And subscribe to the AD Money channel right now if you haven't already. And turn on the post notifications to get a notification every time I have a new video for you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Cheers.